Good morning, everyone. So today we will be learning about linear equation in one variable. So first of all, we should know what is the meaning of linear. So the meaning of linear is when there is a variable and if the highest degree is 1. Like supposing if I have x to the power 1, let's say a to the power 1 or y to the power 1, we say this kind of expressions as linear because the variable, which is x, a, and y in this case, all of them are having degree 1. So we say linear whenever the degree of the variable is 1. Then the meaning of equation is when there is equal to, like supposing if I have x is equals to 2. So this becomes a linear equation because this x is a variable whose degree is 1. That's why linear equation because equal to, and one variable means because we are just using one variable x. If I write x plus y is equals to 2, then this will become linear because the degree of the variable here is 1. Equation because equal to, and two variables because there are two variables x and y. We will be learning about this one after this topic. So first let's learn what is linear equation in one variable. So I suppose linear equation in one variable is clear. So generally equation of this type, let's say another is something like this. Another equation can be 3a plus 7 equals to 8. Some more examples I can give, which is 3b minus 2 equals to 8. So if you see in all this equation, there is one thing which is common, and that is the variable. Here the variable is a, here the variable is x, here the variable is b, but all the variables are having degree 1, degree 1, degree 1, and it's an equation because equal to is there, and one variable because only one variable we have used. So generally, a linear equation in variable comes in this form. So generally we write ax plus b equal to 0. Here a and b will take values from real number, and a cannot be 0. Because if a becomes 0, then it will no longer be a linear equation. It will be just a equation. So we should know the general form of a linear equation in two variable, which one variable, which is ax plus b equal to 0. The values of a and b will be from real number, and a cannot be 0. So example, as I gave earlier, x plus 5 equals to 0. Another is 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So something like this are called linear equation in one variable. Then in this topic, we have to know about solution. What is the meaning of solution of the equation? So let's see now that the meaning of solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. So let's take a very simple example. X plus 3 is equals to, let's say, 4. So mathematically, this is a mathematical statement wherein we are saying x plus 3 is 4. So at the moment, we cannot say that this statement is true. This mathematical statement is true. When can we say this mathematical statement is true? This mathematical statement will become true only if the value of x is 1. How we came to know? You can do trial and error method. In place of x, put 1 and then see what will happen. So in place of x, I'm putting 1, and when I see that the left hand side is becoming equal to the right hand side. So we will say x equals to 1 is the solution of the equation. And how we came to know directly, or if you want to know the algebraic method, how we got the value of x as 1, because x could have been any other number, but how we came to know x will be 1. We can send 3 to the other side, transpose, because we know we cannot add x and 3 from algebra because this is a constant 3 and x is a variable. So when 3 goes to the other side, it becomes 4 minus 3, which is 1. So that's how we came to know the solution of this equation has to be x equals to 1. It cannot be any other value of x. So that's how we come to know what is the meaning of solution of the equation. Solution of the equation, you can say in another word as the value of x, which will make the given equation true. So see, when I put in place of x1, I'm getting 4 equals to 4, which is true. So there will be only one value of x which will make the linear equation true. That's why we say a linear equation in one variable has only one solution. So we write like this: a linear equation in one variable has only one solution. It cannot have more than one solution. So let's see one more example. Supposing if there is a equation like this. So basically we should know in this topic what is a linear equation or what type of equations are called linear equations in one variable and how to find the solutions. So let's see another example. Let's take this time 3x plus 5 is equals to 3. So how will I know this equation will become true? Means what should be the value of x so that this equation will become true? So we can solve it like this. 5 will go to the other side. It's minus 2, 3x. Then from here, x is equals to minus 2 by 3. So x could have been any other number, but x has to be minus 2 by 3 for it to be the solution of this equation. Now, if you want to verify, so how will you verify whether x equals to minus 2 by 3 is the solution of the given equation or not? You need to replace the value of x in the given equation. So see what will happen if you replace the given value of x, or the value which we got in the given equation. You will see that the left hand side will become equal to the right hand side. So we will get minus 2 plus 5. This verification is not needed. I'm just showing you so that you can understand. So that's how we can conclude that the solution of this equation will be x equals to minus 2 by 3. And this is the algebraic method of finding the solution in linear equation in one variable. Okay. And we can conclude that a linear equation in one variable has only one solution. So I will do it till here. If you have any doubts, you can leave your comments and you can let me know what you have not understood. I'll come back with another video. In the next video, I'll be showing you about linear equation in two variables. Thank you so much.